This spring, stepping into a house.
Mike, what are you doing?
I'm trying to do a cinematic voiceover. This spring, stepping into a house like no other. Naturalize pose to the living area. Beautiful man bedroom. You can look at New York City from here.
Mike, that's a print.
Yes, but you can look beyond the print. Look further. Glowing fire pit, perfect for the weekend, family, friends entertaining here.
Mike, you know there's no fire in there.
Listen now.
Right.
You ruined the illusion.